Our vision for Within is the route to your health. And by health, we mean the ability to do whatever it is you do during the day, to switch off, to have the mental stability to then go and enjoy your personal time, whether it's with your family or on your own, and to do that for as long as humanly possible and have a good quality of life as a result. To do this, we have built a very, very complicated piece of software. We look at movement, thinking, and eating. So move, think, and eat are 3 pillars of activity. We take data from users, whether that's objective data by using heart rate variability to test your recovery, or subjective data such as your mood, your energy levels at the end of the day, in order to give a completely bespoke, reactive program to guide a user along the way. So we've brought all of this together in a scoring mechanism that acts just like a credit score for your health. For the past 8 weeks, we've had 30 users on the app, using the hardware, interacting with us on a regular basis and following their programming. This is what we call alpha testing. We understand the app at the moment is not a full commercial product, but we've been able to assess the viability of our system, all the complex software that we've had to develop in the background, and all the interactions that happen along the way. What's really exciting is that we now understand not only our limitations, but the potential for where we can actually take this and what our users feel they would like to see. That is going to enable us to structure what we do for our beta test, where we have hundreds more live users, and also our commercial product following swiftly after that. To understand what we've actually discovered, we first need to understand exactly how the system works.
The tech that powers Within is called SmarterBase. SmarterBase is essentially a database system, and the neat thing about it is it takes information originally from athletes, and that information is aggregated, and the coach views that information and produces programs and feeds that back to the athletes via their PC or their phone. The way in which we use the tech differently is we basically take the coach out of the equation and replace him with algorithms. These algorithms take the assessment carried out by the individual and turn it into their program. There are 3 main advantages of taking the coach out of the equation. The first one is it's faster. The second one is it's highly scalable. And the third one is from all that data that we can gather insights that maybe a coach wouldn't necessarily pick up on. The program that you get from Within is better than anything else on the market at the moment because essentially Within's not a tracker. Certainly it does take data in, it takes your mood, your stress, your energy, your sleep levels, how well you adhere to each one of the programs, your heart rate variability, your brainwave data from the neurofeedback exercises, but it actually does something with it. We can look for relationships across these pillars. Wouldn't it be great to be told that there's a relationship between your adherence to your EAT program and your energy levels, for example, or your adherence to your move programs and how well you sleep? That's the magic of Within. As well as looking for relationships between the 3 pillars of Within, what we can also do with your data, remember that we're collecting historical data, is looking back over that data and looking for trends. Taking stress, for example, we don't always know that we're really stressed because it tends to creep up on us. So wouldn't it be great to be told or informed or notified when your stress level is getting to a certain point before it gets critical? And wouldn't it be even better to be notified about it and then perhaps ask whether or not you'd like to change onto a stress program where the neurofeedback that you carry out is actually targeted towards greater meditation and stress reduction or stress resilience, or your move program is adjusted away from maybe getting bigger and stronger to working out those endorphins.
We're very positive about the results of our alpha test. Knowing that the backend system works as well as it does has given us the clarity to assess all the other aspects of the Within platform. Before the alpha started officially, we understood that the headband was not working up to expectation. We swapped that out and we've now had 8 weeks of rigorous testing with the BrainLink Lite and we're very happy with the results. We also understand that we need to address HRV data collection. We're in the process of that and we're looking to update people very, very soon. Beyond the technical conclusions we've made during our alpha test, we've also had some fantastic feedback from our users. The key takeaway we've had is that as a platform, Within hasn't communicated how smart it has been in creating tailored, bespoke programming across all 3 pillars of activity. We've already designed a system, we've already selected a platform with which to integrate, and we're currently putting a notification system in place which will be ready in time for release for the beta test. This is just one of many things that we're really excited about both showing you and implementing and testing with our next user base. Overall, the alpha test has been a great success. It's sealed off a great year of progress for the entire Within team, and as we move towards the beta test, we're very excited to show you not only the new features that we will be implementing, but some of our plans for the future as well, and I really look forward to doing that with you on June the 6th.